When it comes to RVs, having options really makes a difference. Everyone's needs are a little different: budget, travel style, how long you plan to stay on the road. So manufacturers that offer a wide range of choices tend to stand out. That's something Adria Mobil has clearly figured out over the years. This Slovenian company has been around for decades and has grown into a global name, especially after becoming part of the Trigano Group. Their lineup is pretty diverse, covering everything from motorhomes to travel trailers and even houseboats. No matter the type, their designs tend to share the same DNA: clean looks, smart functionality, and solid build quality. Right in the middle of their lineup sits the Adora series. It's positioned as a premium mid-range option, which basically means you get a lot of high-end features without the extreme price tag. It's meant to feel comfortable and practical for everyday use, without feeling like you're compromising too much. Earlier this year, Adria introduced a new addition to this lineup at the 2026 CMT show in Stuttgart. This new model is called the Adora 532UL, and it's designed with couples in mind, though it can sleep up to 4 people when needed. The layout is familiar if you've seen European caravans before, but the way it's put together feels very polished. Up front, you've got a lounge and dining area, while the rear is dedicated to a bedroom with twin beds. In between, there's a compact kitchen and a stylish wet bathroom. The front lounge is one of the highlights. It features a U-shaped dinette surrounded by large windows on 3 sides, plus a skylight overhead. That means lots of natural light during the day and a really open feel inside. The seating has been redesigned too, with more comfortable cushions and foldable backrests. At night, the whole area converts into a bed without much hassle. You'll also notice thoughtful design touches throughout, like sleek cabinets with wave-like patterns and no visible handles, hidden charging ports, and soft LED lighting. It all adds up to a space that feels modern and a bit more upscale than you might expect. Moving toward the middle, the kitchen and bathroom share the space. The kitchen is compact but practical, with a 3-burner cooktop, a sink, decent counter space, and an optional oven with a grill. There's also a tall fridge positioned next to the bathroom. Storage is cleverly integrated, with large drawers and overhead compartments that make good use of the limited space. The bathroom is a wet bath, but it's been designed to feel more premium than you'd expect. There's a backlit shower column, chrome fixtures, a cassette toilet, and a full mirror wall that helps the space feel bigger. The mirror also hides storage and a fold-down sink, so it's not just about looks, it's functional too. At the rear, the bedroom offers twin beds with comfortable mattresses that can be joined into a larger double if you prefer. There's plenty of storage here as well, including overhead cabinets, wardrobes at the foot of the beds, and compartments underneath that you can access from both inside and outside. In terms of features, the Adora 532UL comes well equipped. You get a full heating and hot water system, a digital control setup with app connectivity, central locking, gas storage in the front locker, and a freshwater tank. It's built to handle year-round travel, especially if you stick to well-equipped campgrounds. As for size, it's a single-axle trailer measuring about 7.4 meters in length, not counting the hitch. It's fairly manageable while still offering a comfortable amount of living space inside. Weight-wise, it starts at around 1,475 kilograms, with a maximum limit of 1,900 kilograms, giving you a decent payload capacity for your gear. Pricing begins at roughly 32,300 euros, though that can climb depending on the options you choose. The model shown at the event was closer to 35,000 euros with extras included. Overall, this feels like a well-balanced option for anyone looking for a stylish, practical caravan that sits comfortably between budget and luxury. It doesn't try to reinvent the layout, but it refines it in a way that makes everyday travel feel just a bit more enjoyable.